News read by 8th class. International news. Scientists discovered that Mars once had a vast sea the size of the Arctic Ocean. Scientists developed low caloric sugar alternative the tagotoids using engineered bacteria. 4,029 people killed and over 26,000 detained in nationwide. Protest crackdown in Iran. National news. Environment Ministry declares Kumbalarg Wildlife Sanctuary in Aravalli Mountain Range as eco-sensitive zone. Mumbai Ahmed Bullet Train project witnessing study progress. Railway Minister Ashwini Vishwanath. Single emergency number 112 to go live in Delhi as government rolls out ERSS 2.0 framework. State news. AP SSC public examination schedule might have small changes due to Ramzan on March 20. SSC board. Sport news. India to play first T20 match against New Zealand today as a part of 5-match series. India women set for the Australia tour as BCCI Universe squads for February and March series. Thought of the day. The early bird catches the worm. Today GK question. Which city is called City of Music? I repeat it. Which city is called City of Music? Answer. Vienna, Austria. Thank you.